We're back. Hey everyone, it's time for a reintroduction. Welcome to Wild and Woven Farm. I am Farmer Maggie, and I am married to the very handsome and handy Farmer Josh. He appears a little bit here and there in our videos. He's kind of camera shy, but he is the brute strength behind this farm operation. We left off on our last video here sometime last summer in 2023 when I was pregnant with our fourth child. We were starting market season and things just got so crazy that we just could not do weekly videos anymore. So a little bit about us. We started this YouTube channel as a fun little project. We were encouraged to share a little bit about our journey, and what we thought was just quite an ordinary life ended up being a little interesting to some people. We lived in a suburban neighborhood on 1 acre. We farmed that 1 acre with goats, chickens, ducks, bees, you name it. And we decided that we wanted to go ahead and sell our almost 2,000 square foot house for tiny living. And so some of you may think, that is absolutely crazy. Why would a family of 6 want to live in a tiny home? Well, you know what? We are a little bit crazy and we enjoy being together. We truly believe that the family is meant to be close together. We homeschool, we farm together. Our hope is that one day we can retire Farmer Josh home to the farm full time. He currently is a truck driver, so he is working 60 hours a week plus, and coming home on the weekends and farming with us full time. So we would love for him to come home with us a little bit more often. Now, for those of you that have been here for a little bit and have seen us grow, let me introduce you to somebody. Meet little guy. He was born early November. I went very late in my pregnancy. It was quite a miserable time, if I'm honest. So I'm super thankful he's here. No drama with our home delivery, and it was just absolutely lovely. He is the greatest. He is absolute greatest. Aren't you? So a little bit more about us. Wild and Woven Farm is a community sufficient farm run here in central North Carolina. We serve the majority of the Triad area. We have an online farmers market where we collaborate with local farmers in our area because no farmer can do it all. When our customers shop online, they can see that there is raw dairy, there is pork, there's beef, there's chicken, there's eggs, there's flowers, there's pantry items, and no one farmer is going to provide all of that. Farm burnout is real. And so what we do is we team up with our local area farmers to offer a variety of options to our customers. And then what we do is gather those orders during 1 or 2 days a week, and we drop them off at different locations that are closest to the customer's home, whatever location that they decide to choose. And so what they're going to do is just go to that one location at that designated time, and they're going to pick up their order, and they're going to get raw milk from A farm over here, pork from Wild and Woven Farm, and chicken from B farm over here. And so it's essentially an online farmers market. But some people just don't have time or the availability to go to a farmer's market on a Saturday morning. And so what they're doing is shopping online in a convenient way and receiving all of those products in a designated spot at a certain drop-off time. As far as our YouTube channel is concerned, I will not promise you a weekly video. It's just not going to happen with our phase of life right now. We have 4 small children, we run a farm, and we have a lot of other things going on in our lives. That's just what it is. What I can promise you is to show up 100% authentic, to not pitch you a ton of buy this, buy that. We are a low consumerism family. I can try to encourage you and inspire you to grow and raise some of your own food. I will also inspire you and encourage you to shop from your local farmer. We try to tell our customers that where you want to learn how to garden and where you want to learn how to bake bread, we will meet you in the middle, because nobody can do all of it. We are a community and we should be relying on our neighbors and our community farmers. The baby says yes. We will encourage you to bake the bread. We will encourage you to do as much as you possibly can, but where you cannot show up, if you can't have a beef cow in your backyard, we got you. Where you can't have your hogs or your chickens for meat, we got you. But we will be there to root you on, show you how it's done. Let's bake the bread, let's collect the eggs, let's homeschool our kids, let's be in community together. And that is the foundation and the principle behind
Why